Hello, Willie Stoltz here, used truck sales manager for Industrial Power Truck and Equipment. Today we're going to be doing a walk around on this really nice 2020 Hino 155. It's 14.5 GVW. It's got the Hino diesel automatic transmission in it. We're selling this truck as is. We brought a bunch of units out of our leasing department. We'd normally wholesale these, but they're pretty nice trucks, so we're keeping them for our retail buyers. As I said, they will be sold as is. Anything that y'all want done can be done at the cost of the buyer before or after the sale of the truck. Let's take a look at the inside of it real quick. So we said this is a 2020 year model truck, but as you can see, is very well maintained and kept up by our leasing department. Nice clean inside. So we said it is diesel automatic. This truck has got good rubber all the way around it. It's got a really nice 16-foot aluminum Morgan van body on it. Back here in the back, we've got a nice Anthony 2,000-pound tuckaway liftgate. It's 80 inches wide, 40 inches deep, and it's a wedge platform instead of a regular one with the lip on it. A lot easier to get loaded. As we said, this is a 16. It's 91 tall, 96 wide. The 91 tall is nice for millwork, doors, appliances, furniture, stuff like that. It's got the hardwood Aptong slats, 2 rows of E-track, and we can add more of that in our body shop if you'd like. It's got the hardwood Aptong scuff at the bottom, and the nice thing about this truck is it goes across the front and back the other side. A lot of trucks you look at don't have that. Got an LED dome light, aluminum roof's in really good shape, and the hardwood floor in this truck is in excellent condition. As we said, this is a really nice 2020 Hino 155. It is a 14,950 GVW. We are selling it as is, but if there's some stuff you want done, you can do it at the consumer pricing. You go to our website, iptruck.com, our Facebook page, and make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, so every time we put new equipment on, you'll be notified and you can take a look at it. Stick with us for a minute. We're going to tilt the cab on this truck, start it up, and give you a little closer look at just the truck. And as always, we do appreciate your time.